Senator Ned Nwoko is championing the idea of a unified African currency and language to promote economic and cultural unity across the continent. He believes that adopting a single currency would facilitate trade, increase economic potential, and empower Africa globally. This vision is inspired by examples from Europe, where English is widely spoken, and South America, where Spanish and Portuguese dominate. Benefits of unified currency and language. Easier communication, a common language would simplify interactions among Africans, fostering cooperation and understanding. Increased trade, a single currency would eliminate exchange rate complexities, making trade more efficient. Cultural unity, adopting an indigenous language like Swahili, Hausa, Arabic, or Yoruba would strengthen African identity. Global empowerment, a unified currency would give Africa a stronger voice in international trade and economics. Most distinguished Senator Prince Ned Nwoko emphasizes that strong leadership is crucial to achieving this vision. He stresses the need for leaders who prioritize Africa's interests and are passionate about building a better future for the continent. Some key indigenous languages: Swahili, Hausa, Igbo, Arabic, Yoruba. These languages are already widely spoken across multiple countries, making them ideal candidates for a Pan-African language. By adopting a unified currency and language, Africa can break free from colonial legacies and forge a new path toward prosperity and unity. Senator Nwoko's call to action challenges African leaders to prioritize the continent's interests and work toward a brighter future